everyone, and welcome to our second Tech Tuesday video of the semester. Today I wanted to go over the shared drive with you all. So I think a lot of teachers use their individual Google Drives, and you can share folders and share documents with each other, but I wanted to put some emphasis on the shared drive because there are some benefits to using it. So one good aspect of using the shared drive is that teams can easily store, search, access files, and collaborate with each other. And if a team member leaves, the files will stay put in one place. And then if a new person comes, you can quickly get them up to speed because all of your information is in that file. I think that one way that teachers can really benefit from the shared drive is they can use one for their department. So that way you can have folders for everyone in your department, and you can share your meeting agendas, you can share your lesson plans, best practices, really anything and any information your department will need. So to get to the shared drive, just simply go to this icon up here and click on Google Drive. And of course, this will bring up your Google Drive. And right here underneath My Drive, you will see the option for shared drives. Under this question mark, it'll give you some information about shared and team drives. And then this is what I really like. If you click on the Learn More, it'll give you a tutorial and all the things you can do with the shared drive. Now back to the drive. So click on shared drive, and I don't have any currently. And if you don't have one, it will give you the create a shared drive option, but you can also just right click on the screen and it gives you the option for a new shared drive. Now, just for the sake of the lesson, I'm just going to go ahead and use the science department for an example. And if you're a department head, you can create a shared drive for your department at your school. It takes it a few seconds to load, but here we are. So now we have our shared drive. And the next step is to add our files, and then you can add members. The Add Members button is right here if you click on it. It gives you the option to type in email addresses of all the people you would like to be able to collaborate with in the shared drive. You can also send them a message, or you can skip sending them the notification. Then if you click on the name of your shared drive, and it gives you the options to add members this way, and it has all of the settings, and you can even change the theme or the color scheme of the drive. And then I have the option to rename it. And then you can, if you have a lot of files and folders, this is where you would go to search within the drive. So what I want to do first is just create some folders to give you all an example of how you can organize your drive. Again, just right click, and it gives you the option for a new folder. And then also, if you don't have a certain document in your Google Drive, you can just click the Upload Files button, and it'll go ahead and pull up all of the documents on your computer. There's also that option too. Or you can upload a folder that you already have in your computer. And then down here, you can add information you have from any of your Google applications. I'm going to click on New Folder. So say I want to make a folder for my meeting agendas. Now I'll have my folder. Then I can right click and make another folder. And say I want to do a grade level. So I'll do 6th grade science. And then I can also do one for 7th grade science. And this is just a great way to organize files within the drive. And since it is a shared drive, all of your team members will have access to these. And another great example of how a shared drive can be easy for teachers to use is that instead of worrying about printing multiple copies of different information and distributing it, if everyone has access to the files, they can go there and print them. That way they'll have a paper copy and an online copy, which is really nice. I'm going to go ahead and go into the 6th grade science file. And now I'm going to create a new folder. That way everything will be organized for the teachers at the 6th grade level, or whichever level you would have for your department. This is just for my example. You can have a folder for lesson plans. That way teachers can get good ideas from each other. Then I can create a folder for like best practices. This is just a great way to add some more collaboration within your department, because I know there's so many teachers with wonderful ideas, but sometimes we just get really busy with everything that we have to do in a day. If we're able to create a document and then share it, and that way somebody else can look at it, it's just a really easy way to get more ideas for your classes. And then you can even make folders within a folder. So if I wanted to open the lesson plans example folder, I can right click and I can make a new folder, and then I can have unit 1 and unit 2 and 3 and so on. And then up here at the top, it's going to show you where you are. So I have a folder in my lesson plans, and then it's under the 6th grade science and the science department. So there you have it. That is how you can get set up with a shared drive and add folders. And then you can go ahead and add in all of your documents just by doing the right click. And you have all your options right here. Thank you very much, and have a great rest of whatever day it is when you watch this video. Thank you.